2012 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The competitive C-Class has a smooth and strong 3.0-liter V6 that gets a decent 21 miles per gallon overall and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, cruise control, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.